Table 18.16 shows the frequency distribution of the marks of 800 candidates in an examination. Construct a cumulative frequency table. Draw the Ogive. Use the Ogive to determine the 50th percentile. The candidates who score less than 25% are to be withdrawn from the institution, while those that scored more than 75% are to be awarded scholarships. Estimate the number of candidates that will be retained but who will not enjoy a scholarship. With OIL past question, there will then be constructed a cumulative frequency table. The cumulative frequency table should contain the marks which is given in interval here. We should also have the class boundary of these marks. Since it is the class boundary we use to draw the OG. We draw OG by using plotting the graph of cumulative frequency against the class boundary. Because of that, we need to have the class boundary. So, first of all, let's get our table set. OG, I have 0 to 9, 0 to 9, and 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. The next thing is the class boundary, which is what we're going to use for the OG class boundary. The class boundary is 0 to 9.5. Here is 9.5 to 19.5, 5 to 29.5. Then I'll have 29.5 to 39.5, then 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5, 69.5 to 79.5, 79, right? 79.5 to 89.5. Finally, 89.5 to 99.5. These are the class boundary. Now we can put the frequency now. The frequency F. The first one is 10. I'll use a line to separate these to avoid confusion. Very good. The next one is 40. The next one is 80. The next one is 140. 170. 130. 100. 70. 40. And 20. And finally, we need the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency. This one still remains as 10. And 40 plus 10 is 50. 50 plus 50 is 130. 130 plus 170 plus 140 is 270. 270 plus 170. And 440 plus 130 is 570. 570 plus 100 is 670. 670 plus 70 is 740. 740 plus 40 is 780. Then 780 plus 80 is 800, which agrees with what we have here. So the max is for 800 candidates. So when you form your cumulative frequency, the final value does not agree with the total number of items you're working. That means there's a mistake somewhere. Now with this, now we can plot the Ogive. This is the cumulative frequency table we have found. We will now use this table to plot the Ogive. And in doing that, we plot cumulative frequency on the vertical axis and the y-axis, the class boundary, the upper limit of the class boundary on the horizontal axis. So this is the graph sheet with x and y-axis lines. Let me indicate that on the graph. This is my y-axis. This is y, and this is my x-axis. So on the y-axis, we have the cumulative frequency. And let me write it cumulative frequency. And then on the x-axis, I will have the class boundary, which represents the max. So for the cumulative frequency, we have data that range from 10 to 800. So we choose a scale that will accommodate that. And that will be, let's use 10 centimeter, I mean 2 centimeter rather to 100 units, so that there will be 100, there will be 200, there will be 300, there will be 400, there will be 500, 600, 700, and 800. Okay, on the y-axis, I want to represent items up to now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. For this, my bold line are now occupied. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have only 8. That means we can't use this bold line. What I will do is to use this tiny boxes. I will count 4 to represent each one. Remember, my 0 is the origin. Right? So to represent my upper boundary here, for the first interval, I will count 4 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my 9.5. 9.5. Then what is my frequency there? Cumulative frequency rather is 10. By the way, these tiny boxes here along the y-axis, how much is each of these? From here to here is 100, and I have how many boxes before I get to 100? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning each one box will be 100 divided by 5, 20. Each of these tiny boxes from here, 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 here. Each of them is 20, 20. So if I have my cumulative frequency to be 10, 10 is half of 20, meaning my 10 should be in this middle here. So I'll put in my pen. Then I'll count 4 boxes again. You get to the next data, which is 19.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my 19.5 is left. 19.5. On my cumulative frequency, there is 50. So I'll go up. Remember, each of these boxes is 20. So this is 20, this is 40. 50 should be in the middle. And I'll count 4 boxes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the next thing there? 29.5. 29.5. What is the cumulative frequency there? 130. This is 100. This is 120. 130 should be here at the middle. Then count 4 boxes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. That is 39.5. 39.5. The cumulative frequency there is 270. 270. This is 200. 220. 240. 260. 270. Again, this middle. Then count 4 boxes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 49.5. 49.5. 0.5. The cumulative frequency there is 440. This is 400, 424.8. The next one count for again 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. That is 59.5. The cumulative frequency is 570. This is 570. This is 500. 520. 540. 560. 570 centimeters. Then count for again 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is 69.5. 69.5. What is the cumulative frequency there? 670. 670. Here is 600. 620, 640, 660, 670 here. And count 4 boxes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the boundary there? That is 79.5. The cumulative frequency there is 740. 740. This is 700. 720, 740. And count 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 89.5. 9.5. The cumulative frequency there is 780. This is 780. This is 700, 720, 740, 760, 780. And finally, 99.5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming out here is 99.5. The cumulative frequency is the total of the score, which is 800. We'll put it there. Now, we are going to join all these dots now with a smooth curve to form the OG starting from origin. And that is it there. That is the OG. Now with the OG drawn, we can answer the question that follows. Okay, the first question says, construct a cumulative frequency table. This is the table here. Draw the OG. This is what we have done. Use the OG to determine the 50th percentile. The 50th percentile, which is also the median. 50th percentile, remember, 50th percentile is 50 over 100 multiplied by the total score, which is 800. So 50th percentile is equal to 50 over 100 times 800. 5 times this is 400. So we'll locate 400 on the OG, trace it to reach this curve, and then trace it down to x-axis. So we need a ruler to do that. Unfortunately, I can't find the line this time. This is my app. So I'm going to make use of anything that will look like ruler. Okay, that is my 400 there. So I'm going to use dotted line. Okay, that point where I meet the curve, I will trace it to x-axis. Then we'll read it up. This is 49.5, but our line is a bit below 49.5. So let's assume this is about 48 or thereabout. Just take a rough estimate. If you're using a paper graph, you should be able to do a perfect something there. So I'm going to assume that to be 48.5 or thereabout. But if you're using a paper graph, what you do, you know that between this place to this place is 9.5. Meaning each of these points, how many do we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if 4 is 9.5, 9.5 divided by 4 will give you the value of each of these tiny boxes. So that if I have 49.5 here and what I trace is in between, if I know the size of one box, just let's do that. 9.5 divided by 4. What will be the value? Let's calculate it. 9.5. 9.5 divided by 4. 2.375. So each of these tiny box is 2.375. That is the case. Half of it, which is this, because it's divided into half. Half of it will be divided by 2. Oh, in my calculator. The memory is very close. 375 divided by 2. 1.1875. So I will subtract 49.5. I will subtract 1.1875 from that to know the actual value here. So 49.5 minus 1.1875. So my answer there is the 48 point something like that is improving. So I'll round it up to 48.3 and 50th percentile therefore. 50th percentile therefore is 48.3. Percentile is equal to 48.3. Question B says the candidate who scored less than 25% are to be withdrawn from the institution, while those that scored more than 25% are to be awarded scholarships. Estimate the number of candidates that will be retained, but who will not enjoy a scholarship. Remember that our score is on the x-axis. This class boundary here are the score. Y on the y-axis we have the number of students, the cumulative frequency. So what we are going to do on the x-axis, we will locate 25% or anything close to 25%. But they say less than 25%. So anything from this is 29, this is 19. So we will try and locate 25% here or 24.5. So they say less than 25%. This person is 24.25. So I'm going to assume my 25% is right here. So I will trace it to the curve. Trace this point to the curve. And then where I meet the curve, I will trace it to this place, to the cumulative frequency, which is 100. I'm doing rough work here. So the number of students that we will draw is 100. Number withdrawn will be 100. While the number that will gain scholarship, remember is 75%. So 75% will be, let's assume 75% is here in the middle. I'll trace that 75% until I touch the curve, which is this big line here, this bold line. Then we just use freehand. The line is broken up. Okay, that place where I touch the curve, I'll trace it. Trace it. So anybody that's far above that will get a scholarship. So from all of these people to the right hand side are the people that score above 75%. And they are from 700 to 800, which is 100 also. between 700 and 800 is 100. So the number that will get scholarship is 100. Number that will get scholarship is equal to 100. Why the one that will not gain scholarship will be 600? Since the one that will be withdrawn is 100, the one that will gain scholarship is 100. 100, that is 200. 200 out of the total, which is 800, will be 600. So number retained, but no scholarship. No scholarship will be 800 minus 200, which is 600.